What's up, people? It's your girl Nishoy, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this lovely look. Ooh. So for my first time subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. It keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscriber, thank you for showing me so much love. Yeah? Alright? So if you want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. Drop a comment in the comment section, like the video, share the video. Mwah. Alrighty guys, jumping straight into it. You're gonna grab your spoolie, your eyeliner, and the mirror. First and foremost, you're gonna brush your eyebrow into place. Then you're gonna grab your eyebrow pencil and you're just gonna outline your eyebrow. So to add a little depth to my eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with my black jumbo eyebrow pencil and I'm just gonna fill it in, then use my spoolie to brush it out. Of course, you want your eyebrows to look full. However, I don't like my eyebrows too thin, so I'm just gonna grab my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade, I think, Warm Honey. I couldn't get this thing to be focused. Anywho, I'm gonna put a little on my palm, the back of my hand. And I'm gonna grab my concealer brush and my mirror. You wanna brush the brush flatly against your arm and then you're gonna apply to your eyebrow. You're just gonna apply the lighter shade concealer under the bottom of your eyebrows. Then you're gonna start to blend and you want to make everything on point, even, and yeah, you just want to make sure that your eyebrows are even though they're not going to be identical. All right, so you just try your best to fix it how you want it to be fixed, but they're not going to be identical to each other. All right, now you're gonna blend out under the eyebrow. You don't want to blend it too much because you want it to be pigmented. You want to have a little color underneath your eyebrows. You don't blend it too much. Now I'm gonna grab my darker foundation, truly matte foundation. Don't remember what shade it's in at the moment. And I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna apply it to the top of your eyebrows. Always remember, guys, whenever you're doing your eyebrows, you wanna use a lighter shade under the eyebrow, and then you're gonna use your complexion on the top of the eyebrow. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go in with my Let's Get Nasty palette. Yeah, it comes with a great amount of colors. Don't remember the exact amount at the moment, so have a look. I've used this palette like one time. So I'm gonna go in with the pink shade right here. some of the white shadow and the purple glitz. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in with the pink, the dark pink in the crease of my eyes. So I'm gonna use it as a transition color. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna grab my concealer and I'm now gonna add some to my eyelid, but I'm gonna do it in a cut crease. As you all can see, I love to do cut creases. I am still practicing and I'm going to get it. Alright, so go ahead and try this out. Alright, just making sure that it's clean. Then alright, so change of plans. I'm gonna go in with the orange and white. Alrighty guys, so I'm just gonna grab my NUX face primer. I'm just gonna prime my nose, my sweaty area that's beneath my eyes, my nose a little bit, and I'm just gonna prime those places. And then I'm gonna go in with the same shade concealer that I use underneath my eyebrows just to highlight my face. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my banana powder alongside my mirror and my beauty blender. I'm just gonna pat this in under the eye. You wanna pat it in, and you wanna make sure you pat it in and ensure that it's not clumping together. You're gonna put some on your forehead. Look cute and all those stuff. Now I'm gonna use this shade to do the contouring for my cheek. There we go. And then you're gonna put some on your forehead. Then you're gonna contour the nose. Contour the nose, contour the nose. Afterwards, you're gonna just blend, and you're gonna blend it right out. Yes, guys, and this is the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to drop a comment. Of course, tell me how, if you think I did anything wrong, or if you just like this look overall, just drop a comment in the comment section. And it's a beat. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching. Back it up. Filling it up.